My name is Jose. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Deja.
Jose, thank you so much. Okay.
So my car keys are they're strapped in the trunk.
Okay.
And I don't have the button to open the trunk, so I would have to get this door unlocked so I can open the trunk from here.
Okay, you pay cash or credit card?
I have credit.
Okay, this is 170, okay?
170.
I'll pay half, girl. I'll pay half. We gotta do it.
I was like, where's your speed? Where's your spare? And do you have your address real quick?
We got it. How do we turn it off?
I need the remote.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
From Deja Brown.
Okay, I receive.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a
Have a blessed day, okay?
Drive safe.
You too.